My name is James Deacon, and you are?
I'm Megan Jones.
My wife is an equestrian eventer for Australia. We live on our property here in Woodside in Adelaide Hills.
Hallmark Farm is my base where I train my horses from for elite level competition. Lots goes on here at Hallmark Farm. We're always very, very busy.
Here we had 4 stables and we had another one behind us which was 4 stables. So we've replaced 2 sheds with 1 shed, which is this fabulous structure that you see around us. And what happened to them is they got burnt by the fires. The Cuddly Creek fires burnt our property, saved the house, but we lost a lot of shedding, and part of that was the stables. And what happened was a good friend of ours came to help demolish the sheds that were burnt in the fires, and he said, "Who's doing your sheds?" He goes, "Have you tried Stratco?" I said, "Well, no." He goes, "Well, you should give him a call." So I did, and Adam was out here within
5 seconds.
That's how we got onto Stratco, and every step of the way has been butter. It was just fantastic.
It was so easy. It's pretty amazing. So we can just get it all finished and done and just move on. Yeah. Customer service. It's customer service. Always coming back and checking.
Yeah, the shed went up and it wasn't the end of the communication. Very happy, just from start to finish. Even now, the follow-up couldn't be happy. I can't recommend enough.
Yeah. The end result of
the end result
of the shed. I love it.
You measure it in smiles?
Yeah. I love it. It's like a shed stable complex come true for me. I've always dreamt of having this kind of a setup, and to have this built and the beautiful lighting and everything that comes with it. It just makes me very happy, and my horse is extremely comfortable as well.